Hi everybody and welcome to Bribey Island Library. I'm Ulla and I'll be hosting Baby Rhyme Time today. Let's start off with our Acknowledgement of Country. Here is the land, here is the sky, here are my friends, and here am I. We respect the traditional custodians and country on which we learn and play. Hands up, hands down, we're on gubby gubby ground. Let's say hello to each other by singing the hello song. Hi, hello, and how are you? How are you? How are you? Hi, hello, and how are you? How are you today? I hope you're well today. We're going to be trying to go to space today, but to get to our rocket launch off point, we're going to have to go down a road. And it's a smooth road, a smooth road, a smooth road. A bumpy road, a bumpy road, a bumpy road. A rough road, a rough road, a rough road. Whoa! A hole in the road. Oh, goodness me. Let's see if our horse has any better luck on this road. Giddy up, ride to town. Giddy up, up and down. Giddy up fast, giddy up slow. Giddy up, whoa! Excellent. Looks like we've arrived at our rocket. So let's get our rocket ready. Right. Zoom, zoom, zoom. I'm going to the moon. Zoom, zoom, zoom. I'll get there very soon. If you want to take a trip, climb on board my rocket ship. Zoom, zoom, zoom. I'm going to the moon. Let's do a countdown starting with 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! And what do we see when we're in space in our rocket? We see some unusual things. For example, hey diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle, the cow jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such fun, and the dish ran away with the spoon. Wow, that was a little bit unusual. What else can we see from our rocket? I think we can see lots and lots of stars. Do you know how to twinkle? Let's twinkle together. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. When the blazing sun is gone, when he nothing shines upon, then you show your little light, twinkle, twinkle, all the night. When the traveller in the dark thanks you for your tiny spark, he could not see which way to go if you did not twinkle so. In the dark blue sky you keep, and often through my curtains peep, for you never shut your eye till the sun is in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Well, that was a lovely song. After our space travel, let's come back to Earth and go to bed and wave goodbye to each other until next time. Goodbye, goodbye, we'll see you soon. See you soon, see you soon. Goodbye, goodbye, we'll see you soon on another day. Thank you everybody, and see you again soon.